Oh, that's a big one. That's a big daddy.
That is a big shell cracker. He's at least what, 9, 10 inches?
At least.
Look at that belly.
That's a fat, squishy belly. Nice shell cracker. Tilt her more. Yeah, there you go. She's pretty. Nice little fish. Another little one. Yeah, it's just a little one. Alright, I keep going in the shadow, but here's a nice little one. Ooh, you've been bit by a gar. Yeah, got bit by a gar. Ow, she got bit by a gar on her tail. Alright, let's go. No, that's a tilapia. Nice tilapia. It's a beautiful tilapia. Look at those colors. Oh,
Nice one.
that's a beautiful fish.
It's so warm. It's hot water.
Yeah. Let that pretty girl go. You wanna? I'll get a picture off this later. That one doesn't have much for markings. Shell cracker.
It might be mixed.